Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where this video reaches you, in America, in Europe, London, wherever you are. A very quick one. I felt so bad I bumped into a news today, and then this news hurt me so much. You see, in this country, Nigeria, we are not growing because we've lost our sense of reasoning. Three particular things are the reasons where we are today. Number one, politics. Number two, religion. Number three, our self-interest. We are greedy. We are very greedy people. Now, I realize that the Oba of Benin is in court with the governor of Edo State, which is Obaseki, because he made shifts. In the first place, no matter the level of civilization that came up in Europe, in UK, no matter the level of civilization, nobody will ever encroach into the office of the queen. Nobody will ever encroach into the office of the prince. No. How will a governor make shifts? A governor that has just a tenure make shifts in a kingdom. The Oba Palace is the most respected palace in Africa, in the world. An ancestral stool. How on earth, with the father of the state, the ancestral father of the state will be in court with a son who is a governor? Prime Minister has risen in the UK. Prime Minister have risen in Europe. But they will never go against the Queen of England, no matter what happens. They don't play with their culture and tradition. Civilization never took their sense of reasoning. Civilization never brought insult to the stool. Till tomorrow the queen is gone, but his son takes over, and then rules are guarded. Things are done accordingly. How can stakeholders in Edo State not speak to the governor? How can the governor have a court case with the king, with the Oba of Benin, the most respected stool? It's disappointing. I shed tears this afternoon. How can civilization brought this level of inhumanity to us? Those that brought the Bible to us don't play with our culture and tradition. But we ridicule our ancestors, we ridicule our foundation, we ridicule all. Stakeholders are quiet. The palace is being insulted. Governor Obaseki, you have just few months to stay in office. I remember that the Oba was never against you when we were coming. He stood by you. You won your second tenure. You started well. Are you about to end like this? Few months to leave your office. Nobody will talk to you. But let me tell you, now who talk to you and I love you? Tomorrow, one of your cousins, your relative might want to become a governor or a senator. These particular acts will hinder them for being, because you have become a pioneer of your generation in your family. By now, I thought, by hearing that the Oba Palace have sued you to the court, I thought by now you run to make peace. And even the people you announced to be chiefs really want to wear the crown made by a governor. Our ancestors are in tears. Now I know why the state is not moving forward. We insult our ancestors. So those chiefs, they want to be chiefs also in their family. That's a high level of discretion in the palace. This country, people don't talk anymore because they are scared. If you talk, they will arrest you. I don't get it. Truth is truth. Stakeholders who know the governor, advising. I know this video will get to him, advising. Go and make peace with your father. The Oba of Benin is your father. You like it or not, is your father. It's a kingdom that has been from the ancient days of our fathers. It's a kingdom that communicates with God in heaven. You like it or yes? Nothing should change the rules and regulations of the Benin kingdom. If those that brought civilization did not change their culture, would you change our own? With your own hand, remove those people you have put in there as chiefs. I know they will not tell you because they agreed. For the agreed to them, they have enjoyed. But it's a curse for generations. I felt so pained. The level in which we insult our ancestors, we insult our culture and tradition is alarming. But those who give us the Bible don't play with our culture and tradition. Governor Obaseki, you have a few months to go. Do the right thing. You cannot have a court case with your father. Your father, the Oba of Benin, you can have a court case with him. Don't forget, tomorrow you will leave. The Oba remains. Oba did the good transfer. Oba is Oba. And for those people you made chiefs and kings, they should know they are in the black book of Edo people. Because that's a high level of betrayal. They will not advise you. By love, that's why I'm talking to you. Do the right thing now before it's too late. Tomorrow, I will talk on religion. This is just what we have done to our tradition. And it has become a cost to our generation. I love you. Jesus loves you more. Bye for now. See you later.